So in this video, what I want to cover is just a follow-on from the other two videos that we've got in this series. One was with the healing tune pipes, and the other one was with the unweighted tuning forks. So what I'm going to work with in this one is the weighted tuning forks in the same tuning system, where we're starting off with a low F2 tuning fork and ending up with a high B5, and all the intervals between all the tuning forks are all of a perfect fifth. So this is very balancing, very harmonizing, drawing on the best of ancient Chinese and Tibetan wisdom. So just to be clear, the top two tuning forks in this set are not actually weighted. It's because they're quite high frequencies, and you can't really get them small enough to be weighted to work in this set. So these two are going to be, these two are unweighted, and the first 5 are all weighted. Now what we can do here is that we can work much more specifically. If you've got a client lying down, you can work much more specifically on the chakras with these weighted forks. So this is a fantastic way. We've had these forks made custom for us, and so they are designed so that you can work starting off with the lowest one right on the base chakra. And then we'll work all the way up to the crown with the different tuning forks, all with the interval of a fifth in between. So this is very balancing, very harmonizing. So you want to be doing this 3 to 5 times on each point. Okay, so I'm not actually on the bottom of the spine, on the coccyx. Sometimes it feels a little bit too invasive to be going directly onto the coccyx, but you know, we're just above that essentially. So this is near enough to be dealing with the root chakra here. If you want to be atomically correct, you would be going a little bit lower. So we can build up the trust with the client and place it there. There we go. Sometimes a bit much just to go straight onto the coccyx. So now we're going to go onto the sacrum bone. So this is with the C. This is the C3. So the sacrum is here, this triangular section of bone here at the base of the spine. So this is now dealing with the sacral chakra. As with all of this, it's just 3 to 5 times. Around each chakra. Okay, so now we're going to have the G for the solar plexus. So now I'm actually putting it on the spine, but in between the vertebra, just in that space there. Just in line with the solar plexus. So now we're doing the heart. And we're doing this with the D. And we've got the A up at the throat. Then we'll just finish off around the third eye, but from the back with the E. So with the unweighted fork, we're not actually placing it on the head. Probably feel a little bit too invasive. And then we'll finish up with the B on the crown. I'm just going to hold just to ground at the end.